Well, this would be a completely different method where we will explain how you can recover your device. If you have this block, one of the easiest and fastest ways is. What are we going to do in this video tutorial? Well, we'll be explaining everything in detail. All we want is for you to watch this video. Step-by-step tutorial, as it is a completely different method than the previous ones. Also in the video description and in the first comment. We have also established other methods so you can apply them as well. We have a method without a PC and a method using a PC. This video tutorial shows a method that doesn't require a PC. It's another method that doesn't require a PC. As we have indicated in the description, this method is also available via PC. What we're going to do, well, I'll explain it here. Here we're going to explain this process. We have two completely free methods that are in the video description. This method has a small cost since we will be using some DNS at the end of the video. But we'll be explaining to you where and how we're going to do this whole process. So if you want to recover your device, we recommend you look at this. This step-by-step video tutorial is not skipped so you don't miss any details. What are we going to do now? First of all, we're going to turn off our phone. We're going to enter recovery mode, and from there, we will be making another series of configurations. Let's turn off our device. Once it's completely off, we count 10 seconds. Now we're going to enter recovery mode. We're going to press the power button, count to 3 seconds, and then the volume up button. When he shows us what the phone's logo is, we're going to release the power button while holding the volume up button. Now what we're going to do is wait for the phone screen to turn off. When your phone screen turns off, we will be releasing that button. Press volume up to enter recovery mode. Let's go in here. We can now let go of those people who suddenly won't let you. To enter this mode, we're going to click here where it says Clear Data. If you don't see the factory reset option in the video description and in the first pinned comment shows a method for PC where with a single click, we will be going through the entire process we are going to do now to those people who suddenly have a phone with a Google account. All of that is in the video description and in the first pinned comment as well. We have a method to remove that block that it also had to remove. That Google account, with just one video you'll be able to do it. We click here where it says Factory Reset, type yes. Here we perform a factory reset. Now our phone is restarting. Formatting would be formatting our phone. That would be restoring things, which was the first thing we wanted to do. Now what we're going to do is click back and then click here where it says Safe Mode. We're going to enable this feature. What's going to happen now is that our phone is going to restart. Another thing I want to tell you is that for those people whose phone does that, this is what we're doing, and it keeps you connected to your Google account. Well, don't worry. It's in the video description and in the first pinned comment. You will be able to find a method to remove it. The Google account will also remove this size lock at the same time. He has our phone number. You'll be able to do that too. But with another video tutorial where we will be explaining where to download the tool and what you need to do. Because we also need a series of configurations on our PC so that these methods can work successfully. Having said all that, let's pause this video tutorial while our computer restarts. My device, because this usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Restoration. Well, our phone just restarted. Here, as we can see, we have been enabled to use this secure mode. This is normal. We'll explain how to remove it in a moment. We'll explain to you what you're going to do and how you're going to remove it. What are we going to do here? We're going to remove any SIM cards we have on our phones, okay? We turned off the Wi-Fi network for those who still have a Google account. In the video description and in the first pinned comment we will leave a method for to be able to remove that option, as we have indicated from the beginning of the video. We click Accept. We click Next. We click Skip. We click here where it says No thanks. We click here where it says Next and we click here. To enable and continue, we'll now click on Finish. As I just mentioned, this method is completely different from the previous one. Why? Because in the previous one we disabled what was application of Google Play services. But here we won't need to disable these Google Play services. We're going to move on to what's an adjustment. We're going to go here. We're on Wi-Fi, and while we're here, we're going to do the following. Let's go back, sorry. Let's go back and we'll go here in Connections, in Connection. Here we will place these private DNS servers. Now we're going to configure a DNS here. Let's add it here. But this DNS has a small cost, that DNS. Those who want these DNS servers need to write to us here. We'll leave you this QR code, scan it and write to us, write to us. They write to us after we have already added those DNS servers. We're going to restart to remove that safe mode. We're going to remove it. We're going to restart it to get rid of that safe mode. Now, when our phone restarts and we have already added everything we indicated. We'll wait a few seconds and then we'll complete this recovery process. Let's wait. Let's wait until it takes us to the start. Now we would be losing that safe mode we had enabled, and now we would have the little airplane on the upper right side. Now I'm going to show you how to deactivate it. Now what we're going to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network. We'll connect to a Wi-Fi network and then we can add any SIM card. Adding those DNS that we have added. Our device would now be fully ready to use. To be able to use it normally, let's deactivate the airplane icon. Let's remove the airplane icon. We're going to remove it. We'll show you where it is. Here it is. We'll disable it. Now we're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network. It seems it hasn't been removed. Yes, it's gone now. We're going to put. Let's connect to a Wi-Fi network. We can now see that we are connected to our Wi-Fi network. But I see that this little airplane hasn't been removed from here. That means there's an error if it's already been removed. We can now use Google Play here. We can use it normally. We can use all of that. In the previous video we couldn't use what was the. Instead of the Play Store, download our apps from the browser. But here we can make all these configurations. We can make all this. Now what we have to do is add what is a Google account. If you don't have one, you can create one here. A new account and all that would be all for this video tutorial.